Hello, this is Group 4. I'll be taking you through operations of multimedia systems. Multimedia systems operate through multiple interconnected processes to ensure the efficient capture, processing, storage, transmission, synchronization, and playback of multimedia content. Data acquisition, capturing, and input processing. This stage involves collecting multimedia data from different sources. Sources of multimedia data. Text, input via keyboards, OCR, or text files. Images, captured via scanner, cameras, or generated using design software.
Sources number 4 of the multimedia data is the audio, where we record through microphones or extracted from audio files. Number 5 is the video, captured via webcams and camcorders or screen recording software. Then number 6 is the animations created using computer graphics and animation software.
Also analog to digital conversion. For analog media, e.g. sound waves, video signals, conversion to digital format is necessary. Also sampling, capturing data points at discrete intervals, e.g. 44.1 kHz for CD quality audio. Quantization, which includes assigning numeral values to sample data. Encoding, which involves converting data into a digital format such as WAV for audio and MP4 for video.
The second operation of multimedia system includes data processing and compression. Raw multimedia data is large and requires processing to enhance quality and reduce storage requirements. Processing techniques. Image processing, enhancing images using filters, resizing, or color correction. Audio processing, noise reduction, equalization, and voice modulation. Video processing, frame rate adjustment, color grading, and stabilization. Compression techniques. Compression reduces the size of multimedia files while maintaining quality. Lossless compression, no data loss, e.g. PNG for images, FLAC for audio. Lossy compression removes unnecessary data to save space. Compression algorithms such as JPEG and ensure that multimedia files remain efficient for storage and streaming.
Storage and retrieval. Multimedia content needs efficient storage retrieval systems to handle large volumes of data. Storage method. Local storage, hard drives, SCDs, and memory cards. Cloud storage, Google Drive, Dropbox, AWS S3 for remote access. Databases, SQL and NoSQL databases store metadata for quick retrieval. Retrieval methods, indexing and metadata. Organizing files based on attributes like name, type, resolution, and duration. Content-based retrieval. Searching based on image recognition, audio fingerprints, or video frames.
Transmissions and streaming. Multimedia content is often transmitted over networks, either as files, downloads, or in real-time streaming. Transmission protocols. There are several types of transmission protocols. HTTP, types used for web-based multimedia content. FTP, known as File Transfer Protocol, is used for large multimedia file transfers. Then the RTP, they are used for real-time streaming media. Streaming method, there are different types of streaming methods. For example, progressive streaming. You download the files while playing. For example, like YouTube. And then another one is adaptive streaming. It adjusts the quality based on the bandwidth. Example, Netflix, Dash, HLS. Yeah. And live streaming. It transmits data in real time using protocols like WebRTC.
Operation number 5, synchronization and integration. To synchronize means to align things and to coordinate them so that they can work smoothly. And the audio, video, and text need to be synchronized so that they may coordinate very well. And in synchronization, there are some key aspects that have to be looked into. We have the lip synchronization. Generally, this is the matching of the audio with the video, and we find it plays a major role in movies and in video conferencing. Another key aspect is frame rate synchronization. This ensures smooth video playback. Another key aspect is data synchronization, e.g., keeping subtitles, animations, and effects in synchronization with the content. Next title is the integration of media elements, and we find we have combining text and images. So it's used to create presentations, ebooks, or infographics. So have merging audio and video. Yeah, we find examples like podcasts, producing movies, and blogs. Interactive multimedia. This allows user interaction through clickable elements or game interfaces. Thank you.
So the other operations of multimedia is the rendering and playback. On rendering and playback, rendering converts processed multimedia data into displayable and playable format. Rendering and rendering components. The other point is that each graphics processing unit, the GPU, handles rendering of quality image, videos, and 3D graphics. Media plays, software like VLC, Window Play, or web-based players handle playback. Display technology, technologies like screen, headsets, and a projector display multimedia output. And playback features, the support of different formats like the MP4, AVI, MKV for videos, and MP3 waves for audio. Playback controls the play, pause, rewind, and forward, and fast forward. And then subtitles or closed options are used also to enhance accessibility.
The other operation of multimedia systems is user interaction and control. Modern multimedia systems allow users to interact dynamically with content. Methods of interaction include mouse and keyboard input used in navigating through multimedia content, touchscreens and gestures used in mobile apps and tablets, voice commands used in smart assistants like Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant. Virtual reality and augmented reality enhance interactive experiences. Examples of interactive media include e-learning platforms, which uses interactive video, quizzes, and animations for education. Gaming, where there is real-time multimedia rendering. Web-based application, like a website with interactive content, such as Google Maps.
So the last role of multimedia systems, we have security and right management. Multimedia systems must ensure content security, copyright protections, and privacy. We can take various security measures like encryption by protecting multimedia data from unauthorized access,
e.g. encryption. We can take other security measures like access control, password protection, and digital signatures. By also watermarking, that is embedding invisible watermarks to prevent piracy of the digital rights management. We can also perform the digital rights management and restricting an unauthorized distribution. This is by preventing illegal copying and sharing of the media files. We can also take another security measure like license management of the files. This is by verifying whether the user have the right to view the content, e.g. Netflix data digital rights management protection. Also YouTube have also digital rights management protection. Can also lastly use the fair use of compliance by ensuring legal use of copyrighted material.